Hi, I'm Danny from Yoshiko Hair, and I would like to share with you the following tutorial on how to blow dry your hair with your new Volumizing Hot Tools hairbrush. I've started today by shampooing my hair with the Orbe Gold Lust shampoo and conditioner. It's a nutritive, reparative shampoo and conditioner for fine and damaged hair types. The next step, I'm going to use the Orbe Royal Blowout. Just 5 sprays all over your hair. It's a heat protectant and it also repairs your hair. Now, starting at the front, I'm going to split my hair into 4 sections, turning the hairdryer on. The thing I love about the brush is you can take big sections. It doesn't overheat, therefore it doesn't over dry your hair. I've found since I've been using this hairbrush on my hair, this blow dryer, the condition of my hair has improved vastly. I find I also don't need to use the irons afterwards, so I'm not causing any further damage to my hair. So just working through the top section now, just lifting it up to work through a little bit of height in the root area. When you're doing this with a hairdryer and a brush, it's a lot harder to coordinate. So moving over to the other side, splitting my hair into 2 sections again. So the ease of doing it this way, you actually don't need to use section clips either. Just working through the front still. What I love about this hairbrush is when you're working through the back of your hair, it's so much easier than coordinating a blow dryer and a hairbrush. And what I love is it allows me to give a little bit of extra height to my crown area. If you're not wanting that height, just simply drag the hair down a little bit. So what I find, it's good to give your hair body. You can also flatten your hair out a little bit more with it if that's what you require. Really good on all types of hair. My clients with hair, longer hair, shorter hair, hair that's quite wavy, have been using this brush and loving it. It allows you to get quite a bit of tension into your hair too, which helps smoothing out. So just going over the front a little bit more to make sure my hair is dry. That's all done, and now I'm ready to face another day in the salon. These hair tool brushes are a must-have. They retail for $149.